Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. One of my students made a big mistake. Well, the big mistake was not that very big, but it could have turned out to be. He had a NRE account, but he was sending his salary. A good thing was that it was less salary and he was sending his in savings account. So guys, this video is for all of you. Don't make this mistake. I want to talk about ki if you are earning in dollars and you are maintaining NRE status, can you send in savings account? Yes, no. Should you have a savings account? Yes, no. If no savings account, which account? What is NRE, NRO? So guys, first thing is NRE account. All that you earn in dollars on board ship should go to NRE account. Okay guys. Along with NRE, since you are maintaining a non-resident status, you cannot have a savings account. आपका savings account should not be there. उसमें कोई पैसा आ रहा है दिक्कत है बॉस. So भैया मेरे पास I am earning money out here. Or say on board ship you earn in dollars, but when you come back home, you are teaching at JMD Academy or SMVD Marine Academy and you're getting some substantial salary out here as well, right? So where will that go? That is your salary coming in home, that is not in dollars. NRE may only dollar salary go. Where will this Ripu's salary go? Right? That goes in your NRO account. Copied? Now if you are earning in dollars and you are sending that money into your savings account, पहली बात भैया डिजास्टर. आई स्ट्रेट अवे कम टू द पॉइंट. सैलरी बिकम्स टैक्सेबल इन इंडिया. भैया जो पैसे अपने सेविंग्स अकाउंट डाल रहे उसके ऊपर टैक्स कटना शुरू हो जाएगा. सो इफ दैट अमाउंट बिकम्स मोर देन 10 लाख, जय माता दी, अब टैक्स भरो भाई. बैंक में क्वेश्चन रेमिटेंस और रिजर्व में पैसे अचानक क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे. क्वेश्चंस कैन कम नॉट फ्रॉम देम बट फ्रॉम द इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट. फ्रॉम वेयर इज द मनी कमिंग? You lose NRE specific financial benefits. But it was a tax-free money. Why did you put in a savings account? Unnecessarily you will be giving taxes on them. लो फॉरेक्स कन्वर्जन रेट्स. भैया एक तो एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस लग जाएंगे और फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज रेट भी कम हो सकता है. फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज रेट इज व्हाट इज दैट? डॉलर टू रुपीज का कन्वर्जन. ओके. पॉसिबल फेमा कंप्लायंस इश्यूज. व्हाट इज फेमा? फेमा सेज, भैया दिखा देते हैं यहाँ पे, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट. इंडियन बैंक्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू ट्रैक लार्ज इनवर्ड रेमिटेंसेज टू एंश्योर कंप्लायंस विद फेमा. If foreign funds repeatedly arrive in normal savings account, the bank may initiate queries. आप समझ रहे हो? So your NRE status is very important. Remittance rationale. Why is a foreign remittance being directed to a resident account rather than NRE account intended for? जबरदस्ती अपने लिए problems create कर रहे हो. Unnecessary. There will be unnecessary questions happening out there. Are you adhering to regulations set for the FEMA for foreign exchange transactions? Now guys, out here I will not be knowing much because I am not a CA. But what we have done is, मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा बता दे रहा हूँ. What we have done is we have created a WhatsApp group for seafarers जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पर कमेंट सेक्शन में दिख जाएगा. Join there where a family of CAs and financial advisors will be there to guide you. You can ask your questions. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. So guys, higher tax on interest earned. Again भाई सिंपल सी बात है, जबरदस्ती जब it is not needed. Why? If you send your salary to an account, complete tax-free salary, no TDS, easy and hassle-free repatriation for funds, better exchange rates, no questioning from bank on remittances, seamless for professionals like seafarers. Always remember that. No TDS, tax deducted resource. आपको भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. अब जब बिजनेस में आ गए तो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट इज. इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज सीफेयर, जॉइन दैट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. धीरे धीरे हम आपको जानकारी देते रहेंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.